Hi there guys, Tom Voyage here. Now I'm very excited about today's video, and this is the reason why. In front of me here I've got the brand new Gozney Arc Lite, and in this video we're going to unbox it, we're going to set it up, we're going to cook a pizza and do an overall first impressions review. Let's go. Now it is a bit of a grim and dull day today, but I'm still very excited because right here in front of me we've got the brand new Gozney Arc Lite. Now I wanted to give you the full disclosure here. Gozney did send me this oven for the review, but they've not asked me to say anything, they've not paid me for the review. Now the views that I'll give on this oven are entirely my own. I'll tell you the pros, the cons, what I like, what I dislike, and basically give you all the information you need to know if this oven is right for you. So let's get started with the unboxing. Right. Get this thing open. So I have to say the packaging's very nice. Okay, so immediately we get a welcome pack with some information on the oven. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Underneath here we've got the stone. That looks to be about maybe 15 mil thick, 10 mil thick. We'll measure that in just a moment. Next up we've got what looks like the removal tool for the stone and the flame guard as well. Move this polystyrene out the way. And then under here, wow, look at this. So this is like a off black colour. Slightly maybe charcoal you would call it, with a very slight kind of greeny tint. So let's remove this from the box so we can pop it on the table and take a closer look. Okay, well, it feels very light actually. I know the stone isn't in yet, but it's yeah, it seems very light. So let's take a look round. Some protective cardboard in here with the gas regulator inside. So right away in here we've got some information. There's a how-to guide on creating good pizza. You get a Gozney sticker, a quick start guide, and a nice to meet you. So having had a little look through the quick start guide, the first thing we need to do is install the pizza stone. So before we do install the stone, I'm just going to check the thickness of it. So that is a 10 mil stone here. So 10 mil cordierite stone. I don't think it matters which way up it goes because it looks the same both ways, but there is a serial number on it. So the way to do this is you put your Gozney stone removal tool at the back, and that helps you slide it in, and then you remove it to drop it down. Just being conscious here as I don't want to scratch this nice front plate. Okay, and then you pull it forwards in there, and that is our stone installed. Next, we install the flame guard. So that just goes in this way and slots in at the side here. Drops into place, and in terms of setup, it's as easy as that. So you can see inside there, a bit of a better view. We've got our flame guard here, and the stone goes all the way to the back and leaves not much of a gap on the front here too. So let's take a closer look at the Gozney Arc Lite. Now it's obvious to tell from the look of it that this is the baby version of the Gozney Arc or the Gozney Arc XL. It's a 12-inch pizza oven. It's made to be a lot more compact, a lot easier to fit in those smaller spaces, but still deliver the great quality pizza that you would expect from a company like Gozney. Now I also think this might be a replacement to the Rockbox pizza oven, except this one is only gas, it's not both wood-fired and gas-powered. So in terms of design, it's got that classic Gozney look, it's very minimalist, it comes in this nice black colour, and there's just one single dial on the front here. Now this oven is designed to take a maximum of 12-inch pizzas, so the opening width on the front is about 32 centimeters wide and about 8 centimeters high, and the depth of the pizza oven is 40 centimeters. Now in terms of weight, this thing is very light. It weighs just 12 kilograms, which is about 26 pounds. And if we look around the back of the oven, you can see it follows on with that simplistic design. There's a bit of information here. One thing I did notice is the regulator. That looks like about a metre long hose, but unlike the other Arc models, this regulator doesn't have the quick release removable nozzle on the gas hose. Now, I've also noticed on the front of the oven there is no digital thermometer, so overall I guess this oven is designed to be very simple, very compact and very easy for the beginner to use. So the next thing for us to do in this review is to set it up on the gas, turn it on and see how long it takes to get to temperature. So we've moved it over to our wooden table now, and I did notice when I moved it there's actually two carry handles under here which make it nice and portable. So unlike some of the other Arc models where you've got the electronic clicker that requires a battery, this one's just a manual clicker. So you push it in, turn it to where you want it to be, and the flame should light straight away. So now our oven is lit. You can see that it features Gozney's signature lateral flame, which is meant to imitate the real flame you would get from a traditional wood-fired pizza oven. I'd also like to talk to you about the gas dial here. There's a red zone and a blue zone. Now the red zone is designed for those high temperature Neapolitan style cooks, or anything really that requires a high heat to cook. And the blue zone right at the bottom is designed for when you want a lower flame or a lower temperature in that oven, if you were cooking something like New York pizza or Detroit style pizza, for example. I notice as well that the gas dial feels very sensitive, and it's very good if you want to make minor adjustments. You can see there the flame's changing quite a bit, even when I'm making small adjustments on the dial. So we've turned it back up to full power, and we're going to leave it for about 20 minutes to come up to temperature. Now Gozney states that this oven will get up to about 500 degrees in 20 minutes. So we'll put that to the test and we'll come back in 20 minutes and do a temperature check. Okay, so we're coming into our last 5 seconds now of our 20-minute timer. So that has just finished. So we'll turn that off and do a temperature check. Now I'm going to use one of these digital thermometers to test the temperature in the center of the stone. So we'll go right in the middle there, and that's giving us a reading of 374. I don't know if you can see that, 374 degrees centigrade. So we're not quite there yet. It's going to take a little bit longer. We're going to leave it for another 10 minutes, although I might leave it for 20 minutes because this is a brand new oven and it's the first time I'm using it. I like to give it a nice, very long hot burn just to make sure that any of that factory residue is completely burned off. Okay, so it's been another 20 minutes, so about 40 minutes in total, and we'll do the same right in the middle. And you can see there, this is at 450 degrees centigrade. Now, I think you can see that there, 450 degrees. Now, although that's not 500 degrees, that is about the optimum temperature that I like to cook pizza. So for me, this oven is ready to go. So let's go and make our pizza. Now, just before we do that, if you are enjoying this video, please remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you wanted to purchase one of these ovens for yourself, you can use the links in the description below. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission so we can carry on making these kinds of videos. So we're ready to launch our pizza. Now it is worth mentioning that you will need one of the smaller pizza peels to fit inside this oven because the larger ones are a bit too big. So here we go, we're ready to do our first cook on the Gozney Arc Lite. As you can see, normally I would have put some basil on this pizza, but I forgot to buy any, so we're gonna have to make do. So let's drop that on right in the center of the oven there. And now because this is a super hot oven, I've got my turning peel because I'm gonna want to turn that quite regularly. Now, because we've got that adjustable gas dial, I can turn the flame down a little bit if I feel it's getting too hot, because when you're working with these smaller ovens, things start to happen fast and that heat's really intense in there, so we need to be quick. First turn. Okay, so let's transfer this to the pizza board so we can take a closer look. Okay, so here you can see this is our first cook on the brand new Gozney Arc Lite. So right away, let's have a look. Let me know in the description what you think, how you think this pizza looks. To me, I think it looks very nicely baked, nice and even. I like a bit more of a puffiness in the crust. I think I was a bit heavy-handed when I did my stretching there. But if you look at the base, there's a nice bake on the base there. And overall, for a first cook, I'm very, very happy. So we've just had another pizza out the oven. The kids requested a garlic bread and tomato this time. Again, second pizza, looks brilliant. Let me know what you think. So that was our first cook using the brand new Gozney Arc Lite, and I have to say I'm very, very impressed. What I really like about this oven is the fact that it's so small, it's nice and compact, and it's nice and light. That's going to be great if you're a beginner and you're getting started using pizza ovens, or if you wanted to take it round to a mate's house, have a few pizzas with them, or take it down to the beach somewhere. It's nice and easy to chuck in the back of a car. I think the design's great. I love the fact that that rolling flame imitates a traditional wood-fired pizza oven, and I also like this dial on the front. It's very precise if you wanted to make small adjustments to your flame size. Now, I did miss the fact that there wasn't a digital thermometer on the front. Even an analog one would have been a nice addition. I also would change the fact that this hose on the back doesn't have that quick release attachment. I found that really handy for, especially if you're carrying this, putting it in a car or something. It's nice and easy to detach, so that would have been a nice feature to add to this one. But overall, I think if you're looking for a beginner oven that's small, compact, lightweight, cooks great looking pizza, and is at a decent price point, then the Gozney Arc Lite might be for you. So thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did find it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. If you'd like to leave me a comment, you can leave that down below. And if you wanted to purchase one of these ovens, I'll leave the links in the description below too. Thanks very much for watching this video, and please join us next time for more pizza making videos. See you later.